we talk about at Datto and what Twin State Technologies does as well is called intelligent business continuity. So it's hybrid cloud-based backup. And we've all heard of the cloud by now. And having a cloud backup is great because it's off-site. So in case of those natural disasters that we hear about, whether it's a hurricane, or a tornado, a flood, a fire, having cloud backup protects your data because it's at an off-site location. But there is a limitation to that as well if it's just cloud. So having a hybrid of on-site as well as cloud gives you that extra layer of protection. Everything needs to be automated. Instead of having that one person at the company responsible for going to take care of the backups, imagine having something automated so that it just works. Your backups just happen. It's one less thing that you have to worry about, especially in that time of need when you need to get your data back. It's image based. And I'm going to go into more detail about that in a moment, but that's the technology that's used to get your backups. Like I said, I'll go into more detail about that a little later on. And virtualization capabilities. A lot of the times, again, you're using some type of backup today, but can you virtualize? Can you get back up and running to a continuous business state as quickly as possible? Virtualization will help with that.